Hagerstown.
Hagerstown for sure.
We're coming for slow tiburons, junk Korean pieces of shit. Guys,
tommyfyeah here, and today we're gonna pull the SR. Got some plans here. Can't know what they are. Don't worry about what they are. First off, second
don't
off,
ask. Don't ask. Don't tell.
Never ask because
you're not gonna like the answer.
You're not gonna like the answer. But anyways, we're pulling the SR.
Rudnik's making a porn.
You gotta tell him that?
With Will.
No, not true. Backstage casting.
Oh, did you? What'd you say?
That's what's going on back there.
Backstage casting?
I think that's what it's called. Backroom casting, backstage.
I don't know what it is.
Either way, it's gonna be sick.
Well, that's what you guys were talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here at Horsepower something. With
some jack, dude.
Some jack something or other.
Yeah. We're having a time trials right now. It's the hill climb. Oh. You start here. You have to go up there all the way across me, down here, and then back down.
All right, let's see it.
Fastest. Hold on, let me show you the timer. No, I'm gonna go slow the first time. I'm gonna let you guys do it. I'm just gonna show you the route we're taking.
Okay, so I'm not timing you.
Not timing you.
All right. So I guess this is turning into a time trial.
Or he's gonna break his head on a rock.
You think he's gonna break his head?
He's flying. He goes, I'm gonna go slow. Then he guns it.
What the f? This guy's a madman. It does look. Here he is. Grant Flanderson himself here. Oh! Bad, what?
You gonna do an outro?
So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. If you guys like these little Grom races, honestly, there was no intention of putting this in my video whatsoever until dickhead Grant Flanderson over here is like, hey, let's do a fucking race with the Grom. It's gonna be a fucking great idea, yeah. Yeah, it was a great idea, and I got a fucking bloody arm, and I'll see you in the next one.
Good way to end the night. Mic test.
Mic test.
Don't do that.
This is a mic test.
Fuck the lettering. He didn't even put them on straight. Come
on. And the edges are straight. You just bought them up to each other.
Just bought them up, dude. They make them retards. What does it even say? Beta?
Beta S.
What's up, guys? Found some funny shit tonight. I was doing my usual look around YouTube.
So remember I said we had a lot to do? This is what happens when you get a futon at the shop. The car's reliable because it's been idling for 20 minutes. That's his extent of reliability.
You fucked me because I was supposed to buy that, and then I was looking at the car, and then you sneaked from under my boots.
You want to know why he didn't buy it? Because he fucking hesitated. I was showing off for all his live streamers by vaping in my car. So now...
Oh my god, you're letting him vape in there?
No, I'm going to do something to him.
Watch them be locked anyways, just because the rod knock luck here. I'll pitch a huge tent. I won't leave. All right, cool.
And see who's got what and see what everybody's saying. And I come across this comment of tommyfyeah. I don't watch many of his videos. Seems like a half decent guy.
Can you pause really quick?
Wait a minute. Hold on.
This is where he's wrong.
So he says Tommy's a half decent guy, which is fine. I can kind of. You're not allowed to film in the store because we don't know if like you're talking shit or you're like doing something else, which doesn't really make any sense.
I am talking shit. Oh, this one sucks.
Yeah, because now they just look bad because they told me to put my camera away, and I was still live from the fyeah headquarters here. I'm attempting to get. Well, we're not live, but you can pretend we're live here. Like dildo protector thing fell off. Like the condom fell off. Oh, my arch nemesis is coming to the drag strip with us.
I'm loosening your lug nuts, pussy.
How pissy that I didn't die, pussy.
I didn't kill you last night, but I'm gonna kill you tonight.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I just told him I was gonna loosen his lug nuts.
My plug wire burned inside my spark plug hole.
Sick.
Melted.
Are you getting it out?
I'm trying.
Skid Racer Grant is here.
Comments.
So he took a sick screenshot with a cell phone.
iPhone 4 maybe.
Yeah. Or I'm thinking Android.
With zoom.
And it's like zoomed in. I would smack your R32 on a roll race in my junk Korean car. So you down to get butthurt by a turbo tiburon? Question mark, question mark? Sounds like a fucking rotary.
Why is the misfire?
Yo, why is it knocking?
No, it's exhaust. I hope.
Is it? And I said, I'll put big money on that run, like joking, because like, why on earth would I ever waste my time with a tiburon?
Come time, me and Tommy have been busting balls, like doing this stuff. What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing's going on, but it was a good day today.
You mad about what happened or what?
Yeah, I'm real mad. Do I look mad, guys? How mad do I look?
You look pretty mad.
Yeah.
You put the sunglasses on, so you're hiding something.
Well, it's cloudy, it's overcast.
Exactly, it's cloudy. What are you doing?
It's brighter when it's cloudy. Isn't that like a known fact, Pete? Me and Rudnik just spotted Grant creeping behind fucking Coles.
Smoking meth.
Smoking meth. So if you watched my video the other day and you heard Rudnik talking about the Irwins, this is the Irwin twins.
He says, I got 1K, I'll put 500 that I'll gap you.
Yeah, I don't understand the terminology, but he gets into that, Jack. He explains that, so get ready.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Well, tommyfyeah, if you want to put some money on it, I'm not as rich as you. You like to throw money around like it's fucking Christmas every day of the week.
Don't write in it.
Huh?
What kind of car guy does shit like this?
I was gonna put rice or miata.
Yeah, get out of here, let's go.
So, fuck them. See you in the morning. Just got to the shop, and you wanna know what this motherfucker said? We got another adventure to go on. You ready? Get the fuck out of here.
Don't tell him about the adventure.
Because I don't want to like ruin any of my interior because I like full interior right now.
It'd be a real shame if I broke this.
I will fucking murder you on camera. I will punch you right in the mouth, knock you the fuck out, and
Dude, I watched Dan manhandle you. I'm not worried about you.
Ooh, you got me good, huh? Maybe if that guy didn't have a gun, it'd be different.
That guy.
The roll bar.
Let's just try to jam it in.
Oh yeah, let's jam it.
What's a serious job when the Irwins have to come out?
Dude, the Irwins have not let me down since the day I bought them for 40 bucks.
You definitely paid 16.
Trying to buy yourself horsepower.
How else do you get horsepower besides with money?
Jack grows it on the tree.
Okay,
He's got the horsepower tree.
I wasn't gonna tell anyone, but I have a horsepower well in the
Oh,
back.
it's a well.
Yeah,
I
it's not a
drilled it.
tree.
Oh, okay.
So what happens is I pump horsepower out of the ground
and sell it to suckers
and
like
I
me.
sell
But no,
it
you
to
can't buy it.
suckers.
You can't buy it.
No, I buy it. That's why I'm a sucker.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this guy is a well.
If he was smart, he would just get it out of the well.
That's
Right.
true.
He has a well.
Point.
Yeah, it's a
You're
mounting
rice or
point.
miata-ing it.
There's 17 mounting points.
You're missile miata-ing it.
We don't talk about him here.
Your doppelganger.
Come on, Irwin.
What is that? You're bleeding?
Fuck!
I'm out of here. I don't want AIDS.
It's
starting to
have you
curl.
ever like cut construction paper?
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like.
No, I'm not a human. I've never cut construction paper.
You're such a dick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a small incision down right here. You making fun of that? Here, actually, can you hold this really fast? Can you stop moving?
Chill with the house.
And you bought yourself a shitty ass tuner.
Oh.
Jack something. I don't know. HP Logic. Whoever the fuck they are. I never heard of them on the East Coast until I watched a video to see what the hell your car made. That was pretty pathetic fucking numbers for your boat. That's a heavy ass car. Why the hell did you keep stock shit? But that's cool. You think yours is fast. I know mine's fucking quick. So, you want to experience some beta money? Right here's some beta money.
Do you have anything to say about beta money? What is that? You might know. You're a street racer.
Yeah,
OG.
yeah, oh yeah, I'm OG.
OG street
Alright,
racer.
you know, I'm not an amateur like some of the other guys here, but I can tell you that beta is not as good as alpha.
That's true. Cut this off.
I can't wait to see this doctor at work. Can't wait to see what you do, Rudnik. Ready to die?
What are
On
you doing?
another hill climb.
What's up, dude? What are you doing? Sleeping?
No, it actually is quite comfortable. But no.
So and the roll bar gets in the way, so
By like an inch.
I got to use the good old Irwins here.
Shout out.
Bring it. You want to be blood brothers, dude?
No, fuck off.
All right. I just got back from another adventure with FYeah. That fucking guy with his adventures, he fucking drives me insane with them. They're always fucking 2 hours away, and there's always traffic.
So
That is
I don't know
true.
what the fuck that is.
It's
Where's your money? You get your money, right? And this is the way this works, amateur. You're going to have to come to my city, my town, and you're going to get drove around. You understand that?
So I'm taking this as he's inviting you to come out. He's going to drive you around.
He's demanding
He's going to show you the town, clearly.
Show me the town.
Here's how it works.
You're gonna get drove around.
Yeah.
You get a tour of the place.
Wait, so
Yeah,
he's
you get a
driving,
tour.
you don't even have to drive when you get there?
No, I'm gonna
that's
get it.
fucking
If he
sick.
puts his passenger seat back in. Yeah.
I have a sick idea for a clickbait.
Hold on, I'm recording. I'm gonna end the recording, and I just recorded that, so that's so funny. 12 o'clock, boy. Grit Flanderson. And lighter. CCWs are heavy as fuck.
CCWs are fire.
They're junk.
Put in the comments.
Put in the comments if you like
CCWs.
If you like CCWs, and if you do, just know that you like Chinese barrels with bullshit faces, because that's what they are. And it's a fact.
I went to
And
CCW.
if you don't believe me, Google
I went
it.
to their factory.
They don't make
in
barrels.
Daytona.
They don't make barrels there.
They make their faces.
They do, because they buy Chinese barrels. It's a
Hey,
known
you
fact
know
on
what?
the interwebs.
You're Chinese.
Do you like Chinese stuff?
Yeah.
Women?
I do. I like Chinese cars.
Daewoo's,
Kias,
Hyundais. Are they? I think they're Taiwanese.
Yeah.
Korean.
Those are Korean.
They're fixed. Grant fixed it, so it's fixed.
I fixed it, so it's fixed.
So just a rundown, so everyone shuts the fuck up. Grant did in the engine bay. I did everything in the interior. Filmed as much as I could. Grant filmed nothing, so we really don't even like him.
Yeah, you don't like me.
I'm gonna get in his.
And he's
car.
gonna drive you around.
He's gonna drive me around his town, but wait, because there's a part that gets really interesting.
Oh wait,
right?
there's more.
There's more.
40 roll to 140 roll, not kilometers, not your kilometers, not your slow ass kilometers speedometer that I.
Kilometers are slower than mile per hour.
Apparently.
I think they're faster because at I'm going 100 kilometers when you're only doing 60 miles.
You know, let's just give.
I've watched.
Subaru's all tinted. It's kind of light in the front, but
What is that, 35?
35 in the front, 20 in the back.
Junk, dude. You want to see some real boy shit? This is some real boy shit.
Painted.
Only
windows.
gangsters get this stuff. Blowing money, I started doing all this stupid stuff. Not drugs, don't think drugs. That's not what I mean by stupid stuff. So don't go going on in the comments going crazy. But welcome to the morning club.
It's not really
The morning club is fucking noon.
Do pulls. Joey 400. Yeah, I've seen that dumbass on fucking Instagram. What a slow ass evo.
You were in Maryland a couple weeks ago? Why didn't we go?
Down the road.
Why did you invite us?
You're an asshole. I like
Non-tuned.
non-tuned.
Let's see if this goes. Jimmy's fixing. Jimmy's been here a half hour and he's fixing Rudnik's 240 already. Oh, almost. One more.
Dude, brand new. Look at that.
It's good to go.
Thank you. But we got Jimmy here, and he's ripping the vape ski.
They're trying to get me to, but I can't.
Peace out, man. It was nice meeting you.
It was a good time.
Yeah, definitely. I want some free hotels.
You know what fires me up when people try to act dumb even though they know exactly what the fuck they're talking about?
I'm convinced this guy knows PETA.
It's a $200 tax to race on my road, so you're gonna have to put an extra $200 on top.
Is that normal? Dude, when you go to someone else's street, you gotta pay $200 just to race on their road?
You know, I'm gonna.
Because you know.
I thought racing was illegal. Why is there taxes involved?
All right. on a serious.
So for the last hour, I've been hearing this like clicking and this guy going all in every 2 seconds because Rudnik's playing this poker game and he doesn't even know what poker is.
No.
The last time I caught him playing this, he thought he was playing blackjack and he's like, "Oh, I have to get to 21."
Oh shit! No, I got a good hand. I came to Florida today. I really didn't want to. But you want to know who suckered me into it?
The boss. The boss.
The dark-souled human.
Here's how the real street racing world works.
Okay.
Just
We're about to get schooled.
so that this guy can get out of his Disneyland fantasy. If you call someone out, you go to them.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Does he get to have to pay me a tax?
There's no tax for
Come on.
I'm a secretive guy. What can I
You
say?
are. You're super mysterious.
I'm a mysterious dude. If you guys are ever near Grant on the highway, stay the fuck away from him. This dude is a maniac.
He is a maniac.
With his truck. Everyone's just trying to scratch it, like everyone's back. That's the main purpose of it. I need to talk to Jack and Roberto about a lot of things.
Boom!
This
up?
This is my first college class.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, college class.
So I got a lot of
$1,000 raise, $500 if I gap you. So if I gap you, you got to pay me $500. If I don't gap you, then you gotta pay me $500.
So you're looking about his friend.
I hope his friend has the world's fastest tiburon. What does the world's fastest tiburon run?
You might know.
I had a Genesis before. Knowing we were doing this, I would have just pulled the engine out of my house and thrown it on the trailer.
He's just standing here in front of us, pretending he had no idea we were gonna pull the engine.
Oh! Hey! Oh, Jesus! Stop that! Come on! Hey! I'm getting soaked down here. I'm about to give up.
Keanu took the wrong pill on this one.
Yeah, fuck this cap. I said this cap was cool. Fuck this thing.
Dude!
What does your watch say?
94 degrees.
94 degrees. Jeez.
And my body's about 175 degrees. It's so goddamn hot.
You're pretty hot, huh?
Thanks, Rudnik.
You might have want to stayed into the world of mowing grass because now you're trying to walk into my world of racing.
I thought
He knows nothing about me, never watched my videos, he knows I mow grass.
How many times have you ever even mentioned?
That's some old stuff. That's
OG stuff.
I'm terrified. Rules over here, what's the rule? To Devin.
And you, if you guys aren't gonna work.
got out here.
I know. If you're not gonna work, don't lean on the car. Because then you're just in the fuck in the way. So get the fuck out of here, huh?
That's how you sound when you're yelling at Dan.
No, it was worse.
So we're here with Brett Favre. Brett Favre, how was that winning pass that you just did?
Sick.
Huh?
Are you vlogging?
Oh my god, look at your face.
Look at your face, dog.
Is it bad? No. Because I just wiped it off.
Look in your mirror and show the camera when you look. Show the camera when you look.
Oh, fuck.
What'd you do?
Straight Budweiser. Knocking shit over.
Jeez.
I'm only 20. Here, Rud, can you figure out, there's like a harness that goes from the...
Grant's having Rudnik figure something out. Nervous.
What?
The engine's gonna fall as soon as the input shaft comes out.
Say it again.
The engine is going to fall
Say it.
as soon as the input shaft comes out.
Say it again.
The engine's gonna fall as soon as the input shaft comes out.
Take this and use it.
I'm probably not going to be using that intake manifold. I'm sorry, I'm definitely not going to be using that intake manifold.
Thank God. We're gonna throw it in the woods.
No, I'm not going to throw it in the woods, but obviously I'm not going to go with a Freddy. I'm going to get a real. Sick. I have a built head.
Nice. He mentioned Hagerstown, Maryland. We stayed there once before. The first time
How does he know you were there?
I don't even know we were there.
we stopped there, that's when the person called the hotel.
Oh, really?
That's when the person called the hotel. Remember when we were live streaming?
So this
That
dude,
wasn't even in the video.
This dude has seen every single video of everybody.
Because that was a
right
live
there.
stream. That was a live stream. We showed up to the. When in doubt.
I mean, I'm confident with the parts.
When in doubt, stock it out. Stock it out.
Hey, you got some good parts here, man.
Yeah. Well, stock it out.
Yeah, less.
Build it out. When in doubt, build it out. When in doubt, stock it out. You know.
Block it out.
Stock block it out. There it is. I like that. You helped.
I'm gonna make you do one of those every video.
Okay. I get a
Okay.
sticker
Deal.
Sticker what?
Engine bay. People are just gonna.
I have some advice for Joe. Just
What is it?
final parting word in my opinion for Joe. Joe, take your money,
Run. Run as fast as you can.
run on the Craigslist and buy another car. Dude.
Yeah.
Because that car, a Tiburon, really, man?
If you're, I think I'm gonna have to bring my Tiburon out and beat the fuck out of your GTR.
Sharp.
So get ready for you. I'm coming.
Ready. My car's just sitting at home waiting.
I want $500 when I fucking dust you.
just to race me. You have to pay $200.
Yeah.
No, you pay me 200.
No, you pay me $200. You're the amateur.
No, I'm the
I'm the
professional. I'm the professional.
All right, I'll pay you $200. I'll race you for 10 grand. I get all the money back if I win.
If I win or
gap
lose,
you,
I get it.
If I gap you, I get 500. If you gap me, I get 500.
Deal.
Deal. All right, well, maybe give my outro while you're under there.
Fuck off.
That's the end of the video. We're gonna keep moving. We're gonna keep moving forward.
Like, subscribe. I want my fucking money back.
$1,000.
Thumbs up.
Got another
Subscribe. Oh my god, dude!